Welcome to DEGUMA Forum Digital, the meeting of the rubber and plastics industry in 2020. My name is Victoria Schutz and I'm a managing partner of DEGUMA.
My name is Sebastian Bein. I'm the sales manager here at DEGUMA, and together the both of us will guide you through this digital event. Hello to everyone in front of your screens at work or in your home offices. This is actually the very first time that we are doing such a digital event, and everything is indeed broadcast live at this very moment, so please beg our pardon if something does not run as smoothly as it is supposed to.
But what we are experienced in is, of course, machinery. We've been active in the rubber and plastics industry for 30 years. And as we cannot celebrate that with you this year in person, we would like to provide you a platform for networking and knowledge exchange with other experts from the industry. DEGUMA was founded by my parents in 1990 in a former production site for laminate. Since then, there happened a lot. We started with repairing and overhauling machinery, to modernizing machines, and to the development of completely new machines like our DEGUMA Neo mixing mills. This has given us an enormous amount of knowledge in this industry and of many types of various machines and all the European manufacturers of these machines. And today we would like to share a part of that knowledge with you.
Over the next 3 hours, we would like to provide you with a platform for exchanging expert knowledge and also making new contacts. For this purpose, there are different groups in the software alpha view in which you can switch between to meet other people and to network. Also, there is the software Mural, which is sort of a digital bulletin where you can add personal information about yourself or add offers or inquiries as you may will. We will also present 2 interactive expert talks by Pallowski and Johannes Jennissen. At the conclusion of this event, we will have an exciting live demonstration where we are comparing a 60-year-old mixing mill with a new DEGUMA Neo mixing mill based on parameters such as floor spacing, energy efficiency and machine safety.
Before we start, there's still the possibility to invite your colleagues. Just send the links we send you or share the links we send you with them. And if you have to go offline occasionally, you can always join again later, but you might miss some interesting parts. That's all about the organizational part. If you have later on some questions, just ask our DEGUMA team in the chat.
As already mentioned, we have been active in the industry for 30 years now. During this time, we have constantly strived to push the envelope, to develop and to broaden our horizon. Our latest developments are new machines, just like the DEGUMA Neo mixing mill. After many years of working with used machinery from different European suppliers, we have gained a lot of knowledge about them, and we thought there are a lot of ways in which we could improve fields like drive technology, safety and process technology. So we invented DEGUMA efficiency and used that to modernize second-hand machinery. But as it became apparent that one of these days the machines that we can use to modernize will eventually run out, we decided, why not build them new by ourselves so that we could meet your demands?
The next step in the future will be that we will equip our new and second-hand machines with digital learning manuals. And we started to develop these manuals with Fraunhofer Institute and some other partners. And so in the future perspective, it might not be necessary anymore that a technician travels to your site to help you solve problems.
A major concern for us as machine builders is the operator's safety while working at the machine. The danger of large machines is in the very nature of rubber mixing. That is why we are constantly developing functionalities which are meant to increase the level of safety for the operator as much as possible, while at the same time trying to limit the negative impacts of these safety features as much as possible. The former director of machine safety at the German Professional Association of Raw Materials and Chemical Industry, Christian Pallowski, will talk about the topic of machine safety later on. There will also be the possibility to ask questions and to have a lively and fruitful discussions. We all hope you enjoy these, and please be active during these discussions.
So please enjoy the event, and now please go back to the software alpha view. See you later.